Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, FOUNDEVER is hiring. I will put the link to the job description in this video. I will put the link so you'll be able to click on that link and be able to come and check out all of the other jobs that FOUNDEVER has, guys. So, work at home financial customer service roles, work at home financial customer service roles, work from home customer service representative. Sykes and Siddle are now FOUNDEVER. At FOUNDEVER, we deliver leading CX solutions to global industry clients, including customer service, technical support, warranty options. All our calls are inbound calls only, no cold calling. We invest in our people by providing paid training along with growth and development opportunities. For example, 84% of our managers are internal promotions. So, guys, FOUNDEVER requires a dedicated, distraction-free, quiet work environment during working and training hours. This includes pets, phones, or any other household members. FOUNDEVER support iPhones and Android devices for an optional experience in the application process. And to ensure your security, please install the latest updates on your mobile device. So, guys, with this particular opportunity, guys, it's a fantastic opportunity. The primary function of this role is to be the first point of contact for the clients and deliver professional and high quality customer service. This includes dealing with customers, clients, or third party contacts and complaints. You will be empowered to take initiative as well as follow established procedures and processes and systems to provide a resolution for the customer. Your responsibility, guys, is handle inbound service calls, drive customer satisfaction through voice, chat, and or email communications, navigate through multiple systems and tools, ongoing training and skill development. You must be 18 years of older, guys, all at the same time, guys. The FOUNDEVER can only offer this employment opportunity through all of these different states that are located here. The pay rate for this position starts anywhere between $12 an hour and $17 an hour. I will put the link in the description so that way you can come over here and learn more about the benefits, the 100% paid training, and all of the things that about FOUNDEVER has to offer. And there's also a video here where you can watch this video for sneak peeks of the job in action. And if you want, you can come and take the assessment, get all the job alerts. And these are all of the tabs here are clickable. You can click on these, how to apply, and all the things. So I just wanted to do a super quick video on this job, guys. Super congrats to anyone who gets this role. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you know anyone that's currently looking for a job role, guys, please share this job lead with them or any of the other previous job roles that I have shared with you guys in the past. Thank you so much for sharing. Sharing is caring. You are the best. You are amazing. Love you lots, friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.